Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page to design the business card. To do it we have to click on here. After that we have to click on this box, then select inches from here. Then click on this box and type at 3.5. Then you have to click on this box, then type at 2. Then click on the OK. After set up the face, you have to select the shape tool from here. Then you have to right click on here, then select a rounded rectangle tool from here. Then you have to draw this shape in here. Then you have to increase the pixels from here. Then you have to click on here. After that, you have to select the move tool, then increase the size of this layer. Then you have to right click on this layer, then click on the stroke. After that, you have to click on the tick mark. Now you have to select the shape tool again, then select a rectangle tool from here, then draw this shape in here. Then select this, then click on the fill color, then select the black color from here, then select this and decrease the size of this shape. Then you have to right click on this layer, then click on the stroke. After that, you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this layer, then press and hold down key and take a copy from this layer. Then you have to select the layer again, then press and hold down key and take a copy from this layer. Then you have to take a copy again. Now we have to select this layer, then go to the layer panel, then double click on here and select the pink color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, double click on here, then select the red color, then click on the OK. Select this layer, double click on here, then select this color from here, click on the OK. After that, you have to select this layer from here, then you have to decrease the size of these layers, then press and hold the shift key, then you have to decrease the size again and increase the size from here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Now you have to select these layers again, then drag and drop this layer under this layer. Now you have to select the shape tool, then right click on here, then select the rounded rectangle tool from here. Then you have to draw a shape in here. Now you have to click on the fill color, then select this color from here, then select the move tool. Then click on here, then right click on this layer, then click on the desktop. Right, you have to select this layer, then drag and drop this layer under all layers. Then you have to select this, then decrease the size of this layer. So now you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on here and select this color from here, then click on the OK. Now you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on the OK. Then select this layer, right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on the hair, select the black color from here, then click on the OK. Now you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay. After that you have to click on this box, then select the liner gradient from here, then you have to click on this, then scroll down from here, then select the red from here, then select this color from here, then you have to double click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to click on here, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this, then click on the color, then select this color, then click on the OK again. Now I have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay again. Then you have to click on here. Then select this, then click on the delete. Then you have to select this. Then click on the color. Then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Click on the OK again. Click on this box again, then adjust the color, click on the OK. Then you have to select this, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then select the brown color from here. Okay. Then you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay, then click on this box, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. So now you have to select the shape tool again, then right click on here, select the rectangle shape from here, then select and draw this shape in here, and select, click on the fill color, then click on here, then select the white color, brown color, and click on the OK. Now you have to press and hold the shift key, then increase the size of this shape, then click on the tick mark. Now we have to select the pen tool, then you have to click on here, and here, then click on the fill color, then select the black color from here, then you have to click on the layer, then drag and drop this layer under all layers. So now you have to design the other things of this business card. So look at the skin and technique. After open all icons, you have to open your logo. After set all icons, you have to select the text tool. Then you have to click on here. Then write your number in here. Then select all text from here. Then click on here. Then select the black color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select the text tool again. Then click on here. Then write your email in here. Then select a move tool. Then you have to select the text tool again. Then click on here and write your website name in here. Then select the text tool again. Then click on here and write your location in here. So now you have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your name in here. Then select all text from here, then click on the color, then select the white color from here. Then please select the move tool, then increase the size of this text. Then select the text tool again, then click on here and write your company name in here. Then select the move tool, then increase the size of this text. Now you have to select the layers, then increase the size of these layers, then click on the tick mark, then select these two layers, then adjust. Then increase the size. After that, you have to select the text tool again, then click on here and write your company services in here. Click on the tick mark. Then you have to double click on here, then click on here. Then you have to select all text from here, then click on here, then select the white color from here. Then increase the size of this text. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this text and press and hold the Alt key and take a copy. So now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. After open the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then you have to back to the project. Then select all layers from here, then drag and drop this layer in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. So now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.